Westwood are a specialist market intelligence company, so we offer sort of bespoke solutions, digital platforms and analysis that people can sign into, annual subscriptions, get hold of data, information, analysis from a group of experts in the industry, covering sort of across the energy sector. Then we also offer that bespoke consultancy service for those one-off questions that not everyone has the answer to.
You've launched a new Northwest Europe hydrogen tool. Tell us a little bit about that, and obviously an evolutionary market.
Yes, indeed. So launched a couple of weeks ago, something we've been working on in the background for over a year, speaking to a number of our clients to understand the questions they have, what they're trying to understand in the market. So it's tracking all the key countries and developments of the projects around Northwest Europe, and then project certainty in there. So a lot of our clients were asking, well, what's the reality of these projects? Are they really going to happen? So their big question is, can you rank these for us? So developed a bespoke sort of ranking system internally at Westwood. And we can then score these projects to try and understand how many might become a reality and how many might just be a pipe dream.
And another industry that's kind of talked about hand in hand with that is CCUS, and it was something you were talking about earlier this week in one of the sessions.
Yep, so we had a presentation earlier this week on CCS and the impact it might have on the supply chain. It's a very vocal industry, lots of people are talking about it, but a lot of the questions from our supply chain colleagues are saying, well, what's the size of the prize here? Can you help us understand it? So sort of tracking around the whole industry, around where it will grow, but then also looking at the subsea infrastructure demand, platform demand, the rig demand in that space to understand, what's my opportunity in the sort of short to medium term.
So what kind of timescale was that analysis looking at for CCUS?
So very much we looked sort of over the next 10-year period. Those tracking a lot of the projects around Northwest Europe will know that they've been progressing, but it's relatively slow. We've only got a couple that have taken FID for offshore storage. So a lot of people are keenly watching the industry over the next couple of years to see how that will transition. So we looked at that period over the next 10 years to really try and understand, could we answer our questions our supply chain are asking us.